Today, we celebrate 30 years of CNBC's Squawk Box, the legendary morning show that democratized stocks like no other. The highs, the lows, the humor, the hammering. It was all there in one incredible package, must-watch package. When I say must-watch, I mean I had just started my hedge fund when the show came on CNBC, and I couldn't believe it. But I had to have a television put into my office, a television, actual TV, to be competitive with other hedge funds. I had to watch. I had to be tuned into Squawk. So I knew what was going to happen that day with the market. Television at the office? Who could believe such a thing? But you needed it because Squawk was indispensable. Nowadays, it goes without saying that you'll have TVs tuned to CNBC all over the place in virtually any hedge fund. But back then, it was Squawk that made you do it. And you know what's the craziest thing? Not only did we celebrate the show all day, the market celebrated it too. Although you might not be able to tell from the averages, the Dow slipped 220 points today. S&P gained 0.3%. NASDAQ inched up 0.03%. But you know what? It sure did feel like the old days here. Yeah, just like the early days of Squawk Box, we had big individual stocks soaring, stocks of companies that were easy to pick out that you could have made a ton of money with. Stocks like Oracle, which shot up a stunning 36% today.
Awesome pleasure.
That's a monumental move. Now, I want you to think of it like this. Let's say you like the stock of Oracle, okay? Do you know that if you had bought, say, let's do this, 10 shares of Oracle at its lowest close in April, putting to work roughly $1,200, it would now be worth almost $3,300. Do you know that's a 167% return in less than 5 months? An individual stock gave you that bang for your buck in less than a half a year. Think about what a difference that could make in your life. Oh, and can you imagine if you had more money than that to put to work? It could change your life. It could change your lifestyle. And this is not some fly-by-night speculative operation you've been buying. It is one of the largest software companies on earth. It's almost $1 trillion. I mentioned that remarkable Oracle move, largely based on a forecast about gigantic data center growth that the company gave you on last night's astonishing earnings call, and it was a jaw drop. I mean, I couldn't believe it when I heard it. I thought they were making this stuff up. It was incredible because many Americans first discovered that you could make that kind of money owning a piece of a company in the 90s when Squawk Box first got going. Sadly, I think that much of that had been forgotten. I do believe that things are changing, though. And again, it sure felt like the 1990s during the hour I'm on television, 9 and 10, and it wasn't just reminiscent.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.